If you are trying to pass the Handshake AI Onboarding Assessment and you keep failing or getting stuck, then this video is going to change everything for you, because I just passed the Handshake AI Onboarding Assessment for Project Gaffer with a perfect 100% score using ChatGPT, and not even ChatGPT Pro, ChatGPT Plus. It is the free version of the ChatGPT, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. So by the time you finish watching this video, you will know how to pass the Handshake AI assessment, and also how to use the ChatGPT the right way, how to prompt it to get the accurate answers without then detecting that you use ChatGPT to pass, and it's going to give you accurate human response, and also how to start earning from remote AI jobs as well. So stay with me to the end of this video, because I'm also going to show you the exam method that helped me get approved fast, and how I also got matched fast, and how I got projects in my account. Because a lot of persons telling me that I made a Canada account, I made a UK account, I made a US account, but there are no projects in the account. So I'm going to tell you how to get that right this time around. So now, before we start, if you're serious about making money online with Handshake AI and other remote AI platforms, so make sure you check the links in the channel description and also in the pinned comment of this video, because that's where you will find everything from Remote Pack Academy on seller. Alright, so let's get into it right now. So after creating your Handshake AI account, the next thing, which is the big hurdle, is the onboarding assessment. So a lot of people get stuck here. Some fail, some get confused by the questions, and some just give up. But the truth is, once you understand how the assessment works and also how to use the ChatGPT properly, then it becomes very simple for you. So I went through the entire process and I scored 100%, and I'm also going to walk you through the same process and everything I did. So first of all, you need to understand that the Handshake AI Onboarding Assessment is actually testing. So they want to see if you can follow instructions carefully, if you understand basic AI concepts, and also if you can give clear and accurate responses. So when you start the assessment, take out time, do not rush, read every question carefully. So now, this is where ChatGPT becomes very powerful, because I copied each question and I went straight to the ChatGPT and I asked it to give me the best possible answer based on Handshake AI standard. But here is the important part. I did not just copy and paste blindly. I reviewed the answer, I also made sure it made sense, and I also adjusted it where necessary. So that is the key. ChatGPT is a tool and not just a replacement for your brain. So as you go through the questions, you will notice that some are just about rating responses, while some are about choosing the best answer. Some may even require short written explanations. So for the rating questions, I asked ChatGPT to give me and explain why one response is better than the other, and that helped me understand the logic behind the correct answers. So for the written part, I also asked ChatGPT to give me a clear, professional, and a concise answers. Then I also shortened them into little responses so that they don't sound they don't just sound like bots, so they will sound more natural. So this is a method that helped me to score the 100%. So if you are watching this and you have already failed the assessment once, you don't have to worry yourself. You can also still pass it. Many persons pass on their second or third attempt, so when they use the right approach, they're going to pass. So now, after you finish the assessment and submit it, you usually get your results within a short time. So when I submitted mine, I saw the 100% score and I was very, very happy. And that moment, and also that moment when you see that you've passed, is the moment that you can finally move forward to the re-practice, re-project on the Handshake AI. So if you want the full guideline details, or you just want a full detailed guide, that is that same prompts I used with the ChatGPT, and you want to start writing your assessment and also get the answer keys for different Handshake AI projects, everything's available in the Remote Pack Academy on seller, and also in our Telegram channel. I do share free answers in my Telegram channel as well. So just go to the description of the channel, the channel description, or the pinned comments of this very video that you're watching right now, and click the link to either get the answer keys on seller, or just join the Telegram channel to see if I have posted for the week, the updated assessment answer for the week. But it's always available there on the seller link, the seller e-commerce shop. And also, if you want me to personally guide you, or you want to join our group of raters, you can also join the channel membership on YouTube here, or you can also just send me a message on Telegram to join inside our group where we'll have activators from India, some are from Philippines, some are from Peru, some are also from the United States. So once you clear the onboarding assessment, Handshake AI will start showing you available projects. So this is where many people get excited, because you can now finally start taxing and start earning real money. But remember, consistency is very important. The more accurately you work, the more projects you also get matched to, and the more projects Handshake AI can unlock for you, and they even send you the invite. So if you're a student or a freelancer looking for remote jobs and ways to make money online, Handshake AI is the best platform that you should take seriously, you should consider, because a lot of people in Nigeria and other countries, like other African countries, are already earning money from it. So if you found this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor, drop a comment in the comment section below, and also tell me if you have attempted Handshake AI onboarding before, and also if you have written any assessment before on Handshake AI, or you want to write your assessment. I need accurate answers, key that I've used before. Tell me in the comments, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, because I post practical tutorials like this every week, or even more than twice in a week. So now let me give you a few extra tips so that you can also increase your chances of scoring high score. Number one is always read the instructions twice before answering. And number two is use ChatGPT to understand the reasoning, not just get the answers alone. And for three, keep your answers clear and professional, and do not leave any question unanswered. So if you follow these simple tips and these simple tips are given to you, your chances of passing with high score will increase automatically. And I know that some of you are watching this because you search for Handshake AI assessment answers, or how to pass Handshake AI with ChatGPT, or either any remote AI training job answers that you're looking for, like how you're going to use AI or ChatGPT to pass them as a freelancer. And if that's why you have found this video and why you're watching this video, then apply all the steps I've already explained. And if you want the complete system, including account creation, the verification process, the project injection link, the project injection method, and full assessment guides, everything is inside the Remote Path Academy on Telegram. And also we upload the courses on our seller as well. The link is in the channel description, also in the pinned comment of this very video. You can also join the channel membership for closer support. So make sure you've done all these things I explained to you, and don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also tell me in the comment section